Hey, good day everybody, and it's just me and Master Wu hanging out here, and we got some mail today, so we're gonna dive over there and open that envelope. This is really cool because this is a Bricklink order, and it's less than 5 days to get from me. Better than halfway across Canada, and it usually takes a week and a half to 2 weeks to get any Bricklink order. 5 days, this has never happened before, so this is like amazing because it's never, like I said, never happened before. It's the fastest Bricklink order I have ever received, and here it is right here. See? So we're going to open it up. It's just in a little letter envelope, but still pretty neat. So what it is, basically what I've been doing here is collecting minifigure parts to make sig figs of my friends. So I didn't have all the parts, so I've ordered a bunch of stuff from 3 different sources, and this is the first one that came in. So let's open it up. Let's go. Okay, so got the envelope here, and now there's a lot of tape on it, but it should be able to open up with no biggie. Okay, there is the order page, which I like. And I put that in all my orders that I send out as well. And there's the parts. So, it looks good. So here are the torsos I got, an extra Harry Potter one, just to put in like one of the shops in my Harry Potter village. I got a bunch of the red hats, baseball hats for my sig fig, for making my sig fig, and some trousers there, Benny's head, another head, which one that one's for? Oh, maybe for that one there, and some hair for another fig. So anyway, yeah, so that looks like everything is there, so that's pretty cool. He said these guys were missing the hands, but that's okay. Can easily make hands for that. I got tons of hands, or I can print them. That's not a big deal. Yeah, looks great. The parts look awesome. So, yep, no problems there. I'll go on and say that order has been completed. Thanks again to Evan out at Bricks for Kids. Appreciate that. That's great. Gotta say, top-notch parts. And that's it for the mail and haul today.